Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Assalamu alaikum. The topic is cement. Cement is commonly used binding material in the construction. The cement is obtained by burning a mixture of calcareous, means calcium, and argillaceous, means clay, material at a very high temperature and then grinding the clinker so produced to a fine powder. It was first produced by a mason Joseph Aspdin in England in 1924. He patented it as Portland cement. Types of cement. In addition to ordinary Portland cement, there are many varieties of cement. Important varieties are briefly explained below. White cement. The cement, when made free from coloring oxides of iron, manganese, and chlorine, results into white cement. In the manufacture of this cement, the oil fuel is used instead of coal for burning. White cement is used for the floor finishes, plastering, ornamental works, etc. In swimming pools, white cement is used to replace glazed tiles. It is used for fixing marbles and glazed tiles. Number 2. Colored cement. The cements of desired colors are produced by intimately mixing pigments with ordinary cement. The chlorine oxide gives green color, cobalt produced blue color, iron oxide with different proportions produced brown, red, or yellow color. Addition of manganese dioxide gives black or brown colored cement. These cements are used for giving finishing touches to floors, walls, window sills, roofs, etc. Quick setting cement. Quick setting cement is produced by reducing the percentage of gypsum and adding a small amount of aluminum sulfate during the manufacture of cement. Finer grinding also adds to quick setting property. The cement starts setting within 5 minutes after adding water and becomes hard mass within 30 minutes. This cement is used to lay concrete under static or slowly running water. Number 4. Rapid hardening cement. This cement can be produced by increasing lime content and burning at high temperature while manufacturing cement. Grinding to very fine is also necessary. Though the initial and final setting time of this cement is the same as that of Portland cement, it gains strength in early days. This property helps in earlier removal of formworks and speed in construction activity. Number 5. Low heat cement. In mass concrete works like construction of dams, heat produced due to hydration of cement will not get dispersed easily. This may give rise to the cracks. Hence, in such constructions, it is preferable to use low heat cement. This cement contains low percentage, 5% of dry calcium aluminate, C3A, and higher percentage, 46% of dicalcium silicate, C2S. Pozzolana cement. Pozzolana is a volcanic power found in Italy. It can be processed from shales and certain type of clay also. In this cement, pozzolana material is 10 to 30%. It can resist action of sulfate. It releases less heat during setting. It imparts higher degree of water tightness. Its tensile strength is high but compressive strength is low. It is used for mass concrete works. It is also used in sewerage line works. Expanding cement. The cement expands as it sets. This property is achieved by adding expanding medium like sulfoaluminate. This is used for filling the cracks in concrete structures. High alumina cement. It is manufactured by a mixture of lime and bauxite. It is more resistant to sulfate It develops almost full strength within 24 hours after adding water. It is used for underwater works. Blast furnace cement. In the manufacture of pig iron, slag comes out as a waste product. By grinding clinkers of cement with about 60 to 65% of slag, this cement is produced. The properties of this cement are more or less same as ordinary cement, but it is cheap since it utilizes waste product. This cement is durable, but it gains the strength slowly and hence needs longer period of curing. Acid resistant cement. This cement is produced by adding acid resistant aggregates such as quartz, quartzite, sodium silicate or soluble glass. This cement has good resistance to action of acid and water. It is commonly used in the construction of chemical factories. Number 11. Sulfate resistant cement. By keeping the percentage of tricalcium aluminate C3A below 5% in ordinary cement, this cement is produced. It is used in the construction of structures which are likely to be damaged by alkaline conditions. Examples of such structures are canals, culverts, etc. Fly ash blended cement. Fly ash is a byproduct in thermal stations. The particles of fly ash are very minute and they fly in the air, creating air pollution problems. Thermal power stations have to spend a lot of money to arrest fly ash and dispose safely. It is found that one of the best way to dispose fly ash is to mix it with cement in controlled condition and derive some of the beneficiary effects on cement. Nowadays, cement factories produce the fly ash in their own thermal stations or borrow it from other thermal stations and further produce it to make it suitable to blend with cement. 20 to 30% fly ash is used for blending. Fly ash blended cement have superior quality of resistance to weathering action. The ultimate strength gained is the same as that with ordinary Portland cement. However, strength gained in the initial stage is slow. Birla Plus, Birla Star, ACC, Suraksha are some of the brand name of the blended cement. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर कर दें और चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंचती रहे।